video, we will learn about new features of MIT App Inventor. So let me show you some features of that App Inventor. So start new project and my test project. Okay, we can see that's our screen here. So let me just drag and drop some labels here. Just drag and drop some labels like 1 and 2. Let me drag and drop some layout also like this, and let me just make it in a fill parent, and I'm going to drag and drop some buttons here like this, and here. Now see, I'm working on here. We just need to click on that screen, and in the right side you will find a lot of new settings. So first setting is big default text. So suppose you can see here I have 3 labels. So just check that box and you will find here all text are bigger right now. If you want to modify the particular one text, you just need to click on that text and you can change their font size like 16 or 15 or whatever you want. But if you want to change all these text size to big in a one click, then you have to just check that setting big default text. You can redo that like this. Now let me focus on another features of that. So just scroll down and you will find here high contrast. Now if I just click on that checked, so you will find here the button text is background color is black and the text is white. So it will look more cool like this. Let me show you one more feature here. In the left side you will find the list. So this one is list view. So let me just drag and drop it here. Now if you want to add the list, so let me just do one thing here. Let me just run this app and let me just show you how it's work. So we can see that app is working here in the right side. Like see. Now let me just do one thing here. Let me just create one list. See, that is the list view. You can simply create the list like hello and just comma and then like how and then cat and then dog, anything, and just enter and you will find you have a list. Now if you want to add some description of that about that word, so how you can do that? So you can see the features of the list view layout. So I'm going to change here the main text with details text. So select this. Now we need to click on add to add deleted data, like click to add and delete data, both things is here. Now we need to click on that, click to add row data, and let me just suppose just type here dog and the details I'm to make it animal and something animal, and just click on again and like cat and I'm to just here new animal, something like that, and click on save. And you will find here in the list dog, animal, cat, new animal. That is the subtext and that is the main text. So you can use this functionality with this list view. There's one more here in the list view. You can see the layout option is main text with default detail text with horizontal. Just check this and you can see that is the horizontal view. See, dog and animal, cat and new animal, like this. See how it will be look in that here. See how it's look. It will look like this. Now there's one more thing is like I'm to make it like image and main text. Just image and main text. So there's no image right now. So click on add to add and you'll find your image. So dog there is none because there is no image. So cancel it. Okay. And I'm to upload some images here. Click on choose file. So have 2 images. So I'm to again click on that, click to add data. I'm to remove that dog to elephant, and the image I'm to make it from here, and this will I'm to make it lion, and let me just change that image to lion and just save it and wait some seconds. It's loading and here you can see it will look like in your app like this. You can select like this and you can perform some action after clicking on that. Click on that list view. You know, like we can use your, if you want to display some more information about elephant, so you can create a list view like this. and whenever someone select this, you can display one big image of elephant. You can describe the more about elephant on that elephant click selected button. All these features from the list. So there is one more option, like you can see the build option. You will find your Android APK or Android app bundle. So if you want to upload your file in the Play Store, so you can download this AAB file. Or if you want to download the APK, so just click on that. It will give you two options. You can scan the code or you can download the APK. In the previous version, I think we have two options, like you can get the scan code or a APK, but here you will find in the one click you will get both things, like you can scan and you can get the APK. You will see the download button also. So you can see download the APK now, or you can just scan that code to get the APK. So all these are new features of MIT App Inventor. If you want to use all these new features, so you have to use your testing version, okay, of that. So I will give you that testing version link in the description. And if you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.